Hey everyone, back with a little haul video here of some stuff to show you guys. Kind of just a good mix of stuff. I haven't been showing as many hauls lately. I just get so busy listing and putting stuff in storage. I don't always get to these, so I'm trying to do little smaller clips and just upload a little smaller video, maybe like a 5 to 7 minute video of what I bought. That way I'll have more videos to upload, and then it's also not, I'll have to put a bunch of clips together. So hopefully that's what we'll start seeing, but who knows. This is the stuff I bought, mostly garage sales. There is some thrift store stuff. One thing is this Chicago Bulls chalk line. It's a youth large, I believe. Made in USA Bulls jacket. This thing is awesome. Paid $1 for it at a garage sale. Honestly, I wish it was an adult size because it would probably sell even better. But I think at least 25 bucks. Maybe even 30 or something if we get lucky. I think I listed it for like 40, so I'll take a best offer on that for sure. But for $1, really cool. Here's some FootJoy golf shoes. These are the Freestyle. You can kind of see in there, maybe Freestyle, I think is what they're called. They sell really well. Some have sold for like 30 and 40. Some have gone as high as like 50 and 60. I paid $7. A little bit of wear, but overall, pretty good shape. I think they will end up going for probably like 40 bucks, and I paid $8, so that's pretty cool. Here's a good Casio keyboard. A lot of people overlook some of these because some of the bigger ones are just so bulky, but this SK1, this sampling keyboard does really well. I think it can go for like 70, 80 bucks if it works. I paid like probably $5 for it. It's missing the battery cover. It does work, but I think one of the buttons is broken. You can kind of see there. But overall, even for the $5, if we can get 40 for it, it'll still be worth it, and it's something to look out for because some of them do even better. Here's some Cooks Illustrated. I've sold a big lot of these before. I had some from the 90s into the 2000s. I think I sold like 20 of them or something, and I got like 100 and something bucks. These ones were $1 each at a garage sale. I got 8 of them from like 2008, I think, to 2015, something like that. And they should probably go for like 80 bucks, about 10 a piece. So if you find them, they are big and heavy, but they might be worth picking up. Here's a Grace Digital. It's like a stereo kind of receiver type thing. Not a stereo receiver, but like a radio. It hooks up to the internet. You can log into your Wi-Fi here, and it'll stream the radio for you. So it didn't have a power cord, but I found one at the same sale that worked. It was the same output and everything. So I'm going to probably list it for like 50 bucks, but if you have one that's complete with everything, you might get as high as like 80 bucks, 75, so it's something to look out for. Here's this Baby Touch monitor. This one's brand new in the box. She only wanted 10 bucks for it. She said she never got around to using it. They still go for like 60 plus, so that's pretty good. Here's a Total Transformation programs. There's 2 of them. The workbooks have a little bit of marking in them, but overall everything's complete in there, and most of the workbooks are unused. I paid $5 for both. Look out for like self-help, rehab, you know, any kind of like programs. Sometimes some of them still do pretty well if they're like out of print. So I think I'll get like maybe around 20 a piece for these, maybe like 18. They'll probably ship in maybe a flat rate envelope, we'll see. But if not, you know, they're pretty light. We'll make a little bit of money there. This looked awesome. It was a Franklin spelling corrector. She said it was sealed. I think it was sealed, but may have been coming loose a little bit. When I put it in my bag with a couple of clothes and I got it home, this had detached. So it is still new, I think, but I listed it as like used just out of the packaging. I paid $4. It would have gone for like 30 to 40 maybe if it was sealed. Now I'll probably get like 15 to 20. So that was kind of a bummer. But look out for the Franklin stuff. Some of the Spanish dictionary ones do well, and ones that are sealed do really well. So that's pretty cool. I bought a bunch of Disney DVDs where I got the baby monitor. They were 50 cents each. 3 of them happen to be sealed. This Dalmatians one is sealed, and this Bambi one is sealed, and Sleeping Beauty is. So the rest were not sealed, but I'll lot them together. But these ones were sealed, and a lot of times the Disney DVDs that are sealed still sell for 10, 12, 15, even 20 bucks, depending on which one it is. So for 50 cents, that was an awesome deal there. HP ink, this ended up being $2, same sale. It is expired last month, so pretty good. I think I get like 18 to 20 on that, so pretty cool. This is a Lemax or Lemix, whatever it is, Spooky Town. I've sold this stuff before. This is just a little tiny pumpkin patch. It was $1. It still goes for like 20 shipped. I have some that I need to find power cords for in the garage, some bigger sets. But if you find this stuff, the Spooky Town stuff does do pretty well. So we'll do that these two last. Here's this old scale. It's kind of like this like floral. It just looks so gaudy and hideous. But this was $3 at an estate sale. I had to pick it up because I saw one sell for 75 or 80 bucks shipped. So for $3 I couldn't pass it up. I didn't see another one listed, but honestly it'll probably take the right person to find that, but to buy it. But pretty cool. And then these last three, there's actually one more that's not here. I bought it at a estate. It's more of an estate sale, but advertised as a garage sale. I bought this deep diving and submarine operations set. This set on Amazon is listed for like $250. It's a limited edition set. Mine's number 1263 of 1500. None were listed on eBay. The individual books that aren't limited edition ones, other versions, sell for like 20 bucks a piece. So I paid 10 for that. This is a Flanagan Neurophone. Not sure exactly everything that it does, but look it up. This just sold for $175. Looks like you plug this in here and you hook it up to like your temples and maybe it puts a... I have no idea, but I'm just kind of spitballing here. But for it was $1 at the garage sale and it sold for $175 as is for parts. It does power up. Listen, I don't know any of the other functions and I can't confirm anything. So for $1, that was a great deal. And then this was also there. This is for another $1. It is a Dr. Clark Varigamma. Again, it has like little receptors or whatever they are. It's got an instruction manual. This one powers up. It seems to be functional. It's got a little bit of pixel damage there in the corner. And that was $1. I think I listed it for like 200 or something like that, maybe 300. There's a second version that's listed for like 500 or 600, but none had my version. So I'm hoping that if I can get a $100 offer or something like that, again, I only paid $1. So that was pretty cool. Same sale. There also was a Nest thermostat. I don't know where it is. Oh, it's right here. I wanted to show you guys this. This is a Nest thermostat. I don't know what model it is. You have to look that up. You can see the parts are there, but there's like a crack here. Guessing he dropped it. It was not me who dropped it this time. So, kind of see there. It was $5. He says it still works though. They just were moving out of the house, and his mom moved into his house because she's getting old, and she had one of these, so he took it off, but he didn't need it because his house already had them. So he thought he was just going to hold it as a backup, but he ended up pulling out the sale. He asked $5 for it. Even for parts, I imagine I'll still get $40 for it. But I'm going to see if it works and try to hook it up in my house, and if it does, that's pretty cool. Even with the crack, as long as it still works, it'll be fine. But if not, for parts, it's a great deal. So that's everything, guys. Hope you enjoy. I'll try to have some more hauls. I need to do a better job of that because I know people want to see them. If you have any questions, let me know. Please like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. And take care. And there's a little helper down there. Say hi, buddy. Hi. Say hi. Nope. No hi.